Alright guys, so to fly this paper airplane, hold the paper airplane right here, curve the end of the wings up to create the elevators and make sure that both sides are even. Okay, ready? Let's me throw the plane right now. Straight up at 30 to 45 degrees, straight, hard, and the plane will fly very far. Okay, I'm going to pick it up. See how far it is. Now I'll pick it up, hold the plane right here, and throw it far again. Wow! Just going to pick it up again. Another kick throw, okay? Hold the plane right here. Wow. Okay. Super far. Okay, let's pick it up. Okay, so you see that how far it is? Further than the previous one. Check it out. Wow, very far. So what else you can tell me about this paper airplane? What is the best name for the plane? I will need your help, guys. Let me pick it up.